If your hair problem is the length, or you just want your hair to become thicker, or you're trying to fill in the bald patches, if your edges are receding and you want them to grow out fast, you're in luck, because that is why I'm making this video. Hi guys, my name is Amara, and on this channel I create DIY recipes that will help you speed up your hair growth without you breaking the bank. If this interests you, please stay and watch this video to the end. This recipe is not just called internet breaker for nothing. This recipe has really helped a lot of people. You will notice a big difference in your hair once you start incorporating herbs into your hair care regimen. And I'm not even playing about it. I have seen a big difference in my hair once I started to incorporate herbs into my hair care. Without further ado, let's go ahead and prepare the recipe for today while I tell you all about it and what you stand to gain if you start using it. Our first ingredient is onion peel. Onion peel recently have been a great deal in the natural hair care community because of its massive benefits. People usually throw it away, but let me tell you, this contains sulfur. And sulfur is what makes keratin, which is what your hair needs. It also contains quercetin, which helps stimulate your hair follicle. It contains so many antioxidants and nutrients that improve your hair. It contains antifungal property that help fight dandruff and improve the overall health of your scalp. It contains a whole lot of vitamins and minerals, and it is also a very good natural conditioner. Even study has shown that it helps people grow back their bald spots better than using just plain water. This helps your roots remain strong and also reduce hair fall. This simple ingredient actually does a lot. I can testify to that. And you don't even have to purchase it. You can save it each time you cut your onions. This one I'm using right now, I saved it from the onion I use throughout the week. So you can save yours each time you use an onion. First and foremost, let's go ahead and give this onion peel a thorough wash. Ensure that you do not skip this part. It is very important that you wash it to take out all the fungi and dirt before using it. For this recipe, I'm going to be doing the infusion method. So after washing, I transfer the first ingredient into my bowl. The second ingredient we are using in this recipe is clove. I don't need to talk too much about clove because you already know that cloves are like superhero for hair growth. It is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can boost your hair growth by stimulating blood flow to your scalp and promoting healthy hair follicles. The antibacterial and antifungal properties in clove can help fight dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp irritation. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen your hair from the roots. This one doesn't need much introduction, you guys already know. The next ingredient we use in this recipe is dry hibiscus. If you're a DIY girly, you already know what hibiscus tea can do for your hair. Hibiscus is excellent for promoting new hair growth. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that stimulate your hair follicle. It conditions and moisturizes your hair. Excellent as a natural conditioner. It softens and nourishes your hair. It also reduces dandruff and itchiness because of its antifungal and antibacterial property that helps ensure your scalp remains in good health. It also has shine and color. It has natural pigmentation that can darken your hair over time. If the color of your hair is dull or it is looking brownish and you want to add some color in, use hibiscus tea. With time, you will notice that your hair becomes darker. If you want to improve on the color of your hair, then do not sleep on hibiscus tea. The last ingredient for this recipe is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains protein and nicotinic acid that helps stimulate the hair follicle, promoting hair growth and strengthening your hair from the roots. If you are experiencing excessive breakage, then you need to use fenugreek. The antioxidants and nutrients in fenugreek help to strengthen your hair strands and reduce breakage. It also conditions and moisturizes your hair. It naturally makes your hair soft and more manageable. It contains anti-inflammatory property that helps reduce dandruff, fight itchiness, and scalp irritation. All the ingredients used in this recipe are powerful on their own, but combining it together will give you this magic potion for your hair. To combine this, we are going to use the infusion method like I said before. To do that, I went ahead and poured in some hot water. Ensure that your hot water has boiled before you use it. This makes the infusion process faster and easier. Did I also mention that fenugreek can help smoothing out your hair cuticles, reflecting light and giving your hair this healthy look? It also helps with premature growing because of the antioxidant property present in fenugreek, which helps reduce oxidative stress that contributes to premature growing. I do not understand people who still doubt the effectiveness of using herbs on their hair. I have tried to emphasize on that on each of my videos. Start using herbs. Use herbs and you will not regret it. After 2 hours, this is what the herbs looks like now. It has properly infused, so it is time for us to go ahead and strain out the water. Using this combo as a daily leave-in or a rinse out after each wash day is unstoppable. It addresses growth from every angle. Nutrition, protection, circulation, and repair all in one. This recipe is very powerful, no doubt about that. If you use it consistently within 1 or 2 weeks, you will notice your hair fall reduces. If your scalp is always inflamed, always itching, by the 2nd week, you will notice your scalp is not itching anymore. By 3 to 4 weeks, you will notice the appearance of baby hair and your strands become stronger. By the time you use this recipe for complete 2 months, you will notice thickness. Your hair becomes longer, your hair becomes shinier, like your hair looks very healthy. You will see about an inch. I am giving you this time frame based on my experience, but it can be more or less for some people due to some factors you also need to put into consideration. I recommended this recipe for a lady who was dealing with postpartum shedding, and within 2 weeks she came back to tell me that the shedding has reduced drastically. Her hair is now growing back healthily. If you know someone dealing with postpartum shedding, share this video with them, because in doing so, you are really helping them get back their hair. Nature has given us everything we need to grow out our hair. This combination is all that you need to try. The onion peel contains quercetin and sulfur for keratin production. Rosemary helps in circulation and boosting blood. Fenugreek contains protein and nicotinic acid that strengthens and moisturizes your hair, while hibiscus ensures premium hydration. Cloves stimulate your hair follicle and ensures that your scalp is in good health. All these are natural, no side effects, cost-effective, and easy to prepare. Now let me tell you how to use this for the maximum benefits. Before you use it, ensure that you shake up the bottle. Section your hair into parts if you're not on a protective style, and spray generously on your scalp. You can use this remedy for both your scalp and your strands. Then use your fingertips to massage for about 3 to 5 minutes. This creates additional circulation on your scalp and boosts blood flow. You can either use this spray as a leave-in or a washout spray. If you're using it as a washout spray, ensure that you let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours before you go ahead and wash it. You can use this spray 3 to 4 times a week. If you have oily scalp, go ahead and wash it after 2 hours. If you have a dry scalp, you can leave it in your hair. If you have any problem area, focus on that area first. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to give you a response. For the shelf life, this recipe can be stored in your refrigerator for at least 14 days. After a week, ensure that you discard it and make another batch. If you learn 1 or 2, please subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't done so, and also send this video to your loved ones who you think might need it to grow out their hair. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.